Hey, Yade. Yeah, I just wanted to put together a few things that we've been talking about for lesson three, and I think this might help you. And let's do something that would help some folks. Here's my home, okay? And my home, when we say my home, all this first column is one, 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 one. Okay, one person. So if I would say my home, be shagan, shagan, she, okay, and run, or backwards, run, shagan, shagan. So that would represent this I right here, okay, I, all right. And then as we go down, then it'll be you, and that would say ne, ne, you, and then home would be run, and together it would be naran, naran. This is your home, naran. Okay, so the next one is be, and it's talking about these three right here. So in Navajo, the be represents he, she, or it. It's not like English separate like he, she, it. Okay, but in Navajo it's just one sound. It's called be. And if we say run, then we say baran, baran. Okay, so all of these are one person. My home, sharan. One person, naran. One person, he, she, or it, baran. So when I say she or he or it, that means John, Sally, or maybe we're talking about a bird's home, a bird bagan. Okay. All right. So the next column is two people, two of us. Basically, we're saying we, we two, we two. Okay. Uh, so we say nihiran, ran nihiran. Okay. Now we're saying you two, nihiran. Notice how it's the same. Nihir, nihir. This basically, in general, that means two, two. Okay, so it could be us two, nihilan, or you two, nihilan, which makes it a little simpler to remember different to this or to that. Okay, so in the next one we have the same as the number one person, two people. You still say bagan. So over here I might say Johnny bagan. Over here I might say Johnny do Sally bagan. So there's two people. So you say the same thing. Okay. Here we say you two, you and your father, nedonje nihiran, or me and my father, shido shije nihiran. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, so there's two people all the way down. Okay, two people, nihiran, nihiran, bagan. Okay, so up here, everything up here is always talking about me included, me by myself, me with another person, and me three or more persons. Okay, three or more persons right here. Notice that this is, and I'll kind of point this out right here. This right here, we'll point it out by different colors. This, the da represents plural. Okay, English plural goes with a noun like boy, boys. But in Navajo, it goes with the verb. So my home would be, uh, uh, well, this is still a noun. Run is still a noun. But to make it plural, we just put a da. And since it's more than three, nihe shows up again. And so make it plural form, three or more, we say nihe, danhe. Or ran, danhiran. Danhiran, all of us, me included, me and a bunch of other people. Danhiran. And then this is you and a bunch of people. Danhiran. So it's the same thing. Danhiran. And then down here we say those three or more people. Dapagan. Because three or more. Dapagan. So I just wanted to show that to you. I hope it helps out. Uh, so anything like my something will go here. Okay. Okay.